Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, how are you all? Hope you are well. Today's video I'm gonna talk about Sharp washing machine 8 kg. Its model number is ESX805. First I will talk about what's the problem with this machine and try to solve very easily. You can see very small amount of water falling into the machine, so its main problem is water pump problem. To solve the problem, first I need to open the back cover of the machine and can see this back part. I will open right now. Now I switch off the machine and open the back part. Can see is there have a water pump. So first I have to open this water pump. For opening this pump, first I have to unscrew the all screws and can see downside have another screws, so I have to open it as well. Now I will open the washing machine water pump and see what's problem with it. I have to open all the screws from this pump. Now I will show you the inside of the water pump. First I open the all screws, then can see inside is there have a rubber, and this rubber is already damaged. So can see this rubber is totally damaged, and I had another water pump. So first I open the all screws and I will set the motor to the ones I opened earlier. So part of this pump I will use another pump. Can see I will just use this rubber and this motor. Can see I will apply this one. So now I'm going to set. Can see I just changed the motor and this rubber part, and now I have already added the water pump, and now it's time to test. For testing, first I have to cover the machine. Turn on the machine to test. First switch on, then press the start button, and now can see we have to wait for the water to come from the pump. I can see machine is running. Just wait few seconds. Can see this problem is already solved and sufficient amount of water coming from the pump. Look, if you guys want to watch this kind of video more, please kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting new kind of video fast. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment. See you next video. In the meantime, stay well, stay healthy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.